Hi again, Peter Bernstein, TMC Net Senior Editor here at beautiful Miami Beach for the ITEXPO East Convention. We're just off the show floor, and I'm here to talk with Sharan Bakhar, who is the co-founder of ConteXtream. He is one of my go-to guys on SDN and NFV, so why don't we talk a little bit about your company, and then where you sit in the ecosystem, and then let's talk about, so where are we and where do we need to go?
Okay, Peter.
You're on.
All right, so SDN and NFV have been hot in the last few years. It starts with economics, bringing cloud economics to telcos. The traditional economics of operating IT used to be 10 to 1s on operator versus servers versus 50 to 1 on servers versus operators in cloud. That's hundreds of times better. The only way to get there is to put all the software on standard servers, a factory, all unified, dynamically allocated, so that we can get those operation numbers down. We also are able to leverage the economies of Moore's law, which whatever I got when I bought a server 10 years ago, I'm getting hundreds of times more right now. More cores, more speed. So this is where it all begins. The rest is just inevitable. If I'm going to be able to do that, then I need to put my infrastructure in a structure. The two bookends of that structures are the orchestration on one hand, allocate the compute, and the SDN fabric on the other end, which is bring the traffic to those compute elements.
So let's talk about what your company does in making all of that happen.
Sure. So our job is that left bookend. We are in line. We are the SDN fabric. What does that mean? It means that whatever Tetris the orchestration played in allocating functions, firewalls, parental control, DDoS protections, transcoding, we have to be able to know what those resources are and get the right traffic to the right resource at the right sequence.
So it's a combination of visualization and control, right? I can't control what I don't see.
I need to learn.
And I need to learn I need to learn what's out there before
Exactly.
I can even do that.
And then I need to map flows and populate those VMs with traffic so they do their job.
And then we need to get it optimized.
Yes.
Which is the less fancy name for orchestration.
Yes, I need to be, whatever orchestration did, and orchestration works in the granularity of days and weeks and patterns. I have to be able to use right now in real time, whenever anyone makes a call, a data call, whether it's a consumer or a business subscriber.
So in your look at what's going on in the industry right now,
yes.
Interestingly, SDN is not advancing as quickly as NFV has, which is kind of interesting. Where are we in terms of getting to the point? I guess the holy grail is it's totally automated, it's instantaneous, it's agile, it's secure, and it's high performance. And I know, and it's federated and orchestrated. Are we getting close? I mean, certain implementations are already happening. Do you see a sense of urgency around all of this? And are we getting to the point where people can have confidence to start doing deployments?
I believe so. I mean, we have to understand SDN and NFV, there is a bit of a lockstep. NFV creates one of the biggest needs for SDN. The other needs for SDN, like hosting services, those are pretty locked inside the big internet companies, and you just don't see what's going on there. But the need for SDN created by NFV is very visible, but NFV had to be specified first. And then once you specify, you see, oh, but I need to orchestrate this whole thing, and I need to be able to automate, and I need to create an operating system for a computer which is spread on tens or even hundreds of racks. So there's a bit of a lockstep. But what we've seen is that for specific use cases, We are ending the, I want to trial and kick the tire period, and I'm going to get deployed. For specific use cases, we're going to see those deployments starting this year, but really taking off next year.
So there you have it. The good news is we're going to get to automation. The better news is companies like ConteXtream are there to help people map and get this correct. So
yes.
Thanks for stopping by.
Absolutely.
A real pleasure.
Thank you very much.
And have a great job.